Hello there. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of filling out the Aku content submittal form. Okay, so whether you have photographs, images, documents, presentations, or any other kind of link to share, this is going to be the guide that will cover it all. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you need to do is obviously access the Aku Google form that I submitted a few days ago. You're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go to the Aku Google form link that's provided. And you're going to start filling out the information that's going to be required for us to be able to submit this information. Okay. First thing you're going to see here is you're going to enter your email address. So in the first field of this form, right here, you're going to enter your email address that you want to have associated to the content that you're about to submit for. Okay. Then obviously this is all self-explanatory. You're going to choose the date. Select the date that you intend to submit this content. So this could be like your current date, or if you want to submit this content in a future date, you can also add a future date on here as well. So it doesn't necessarily have to be something that is current. All right, just to make sure. All very self-explanatory. Which chapter do you represent? Right. So, do you represent the Washington, D.C. chapter? Please check off on that. Puerto Rico, Miami, Atlanta. Okay, so just please check off on which chapter you are representing. All right. Section 3 of 5 is going to say, where do you want this content to be delivered to? All right. So, do you want it in the newsletter that we submit on a weekly basis or publish on a weekly basis? Do you want it on the YouTube page? Do you want it on our podcast or mobile app, on our website, and any one of the social media outlets that we are also part of as well? Okay. It's important to note that you don't need to only select one. You can also select multiple outlets here in this section. So if you want to have your content published in the newsletter and also on Facebook or on the mobile app, please indicate so. Okay, so we'll go ahead and move from there. And then on section 4, which is, I think, one of the most important parts here, is to please submit a title and a subtitle. This also applies to your pictures that you're submitting as well. So we'd ask you to please, if you could, which title would you prefer for us to use to promote your content? Add a subtitle to that as well. Be as descriptive as possible, please. And then finally, if you are submitting images or photographs, if there's a possibility to also describe what the nature of the image or photograph is, that would be very helpful for us as well to submit um, whichever outlet that you choose from, right? And then finally here on the section 5, if you want to, you can also add your images here. It could be, again, images, photographs, presentations, documents. You can also add links on here as well. So all of this is in an effort to keep us all well organized and to make sure that your content is delivered and published in a timely manner. Okay. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out to me. My name is Richard Martinez. You can reach me on my email address, which you all have, or you can call me directly at 770-312-2974. Okay. Thank you for your help here, and looking forward to your content.